Hello viewers, welcome to Skyrider Electric's YouTube channel. So few days ago in our video, I had got you the Tourista Max 2024. That was our 8-seater electric sightseeing bus. Now in today's video, I have got the smaller version of the Tourista, which is the 6-seater. Now as the Tourista 8-seater, the model that we have today is also the 2024 edition of the 6-seater electric golf cart. So let's go deep into the video and see what exactly we have for you in the Tourista 2024 all new 6-seater electric golf cart. So starting with the front of the vehicle, as you can see, the complete front fascia of the vehicle has been revamped. So over here we have the newer body panels that are a lot more stylish now. Previously they used to be very rounded, but now they are extremely sharp and beautiful. And then we have the blacked out LED headlamps with 40 bead of LED headlights. They are extremely bright at night and give you very good illumination. And down here we have a protector. This is a plastic protection guard for any pedestrian safety in case your vehicle hits somewhere or in case the vehicle goes into some unhindered obstacle. Now if I come down to the side of the vehicle, so over here the vehicle is fairly simple, very much basic, I would say. So firstly, the things that are going to grab you when you come to this side of the vehicle are these beautiful seats. Now we'll be talking about the seats when we are going into the interiors of the vehicle. Coming down to the rear half of the vehicle, in the rear half of the vehicle we have this beautifully designed handle to hold on for the passenger sitting at the rear seat. You have this stylish footboard with anti-skid rubber mats. You have those bumpers with the branding of the company, and you have those round indicators along with headlamps. So the exterior of the vehicle has been kept fairly simple, has been kept very much purposeful rather, I would say. But again, when you come down to any golf cart, your major lookout in a golf cart is comfort. Now while I go into the interior of the vehicle, I will explain how exactly the interiors of the golf cart is. And a golf cart is generally made to be driven around. It is to be chauffeur driven sort of thing. So when you sit into the golf cart, firstly I would like to show you the amount of leg that you have to lift it up to enter into the golf cart. Once you are here, you can sit into the vehicle and come down onto these comfortable laminated leather seats. Now on these seats, as you can see, every time the vehicle is manufactured, we focus on comfort. So coming down to the comfort, you have these beautifully cushioned sheets with lamination all over. So this definitely gives you a very good feel of comfort, and the backrests also are very much perfect. I would say the recline angle is very much perfect. So as a result of which, you have a completely relaxed seating posture, and you have some sort of space at the front where you can slide your leg into so that you can have a proper seating posture. Now you can hold on to the grab handles over here in case there is some sort of rough terrain. So again, this is a very good seating posture to be in. And over here you have these armrests where you can rest your hands for a moment when you take a ride around a beautiful campus. Now let's go into the driver's cabin, because there's something for everyone. So in the driver's cabin over here, you can see a very basic design, not very much of flamboyance over here. So firstly, you have these steering wheel with an agenda board. You can put in some scorecards, you can put in your itineraries for your hotel guests, whatever and whatnot. So over here you have the agenda board, you have the combination switch over here. Now this is an integrated switch for multiple functions. So you have your headlamps turn and off. Over here you have your horn. Over here you can go indicators, you have your forward, reverse, everything is right on this particular stick. And on the floor you have these beautifully textured anti-skid rubber mats that are definitely going to give you good amount of grip if any guests or customers of yours are going to sit in this vehicle in rainy days. Along with these rubber mats are quick dry as well. Come to the other side of the driver's cabin. Over here you see these central locking keys. Now these keys have the functionality of central locking. So this is your lock, this is your lock, unlock, and your power. So definitely this comes with the central locking feature along with keyless go, and this also has a flip function. So that's something beautiful to play with when you are bored. So have your cup holders, two cup holders to keep for your guests. You can put in some small 500 ml water bottles over here, and this is the fully digital instrument cluster that shows you the battery level, that shows you the total distance run by the vehicle and the speed of the vehicle, and also shows you the voltage of the battery while in the beginning. Over here you have these ORVMs. These are quite wide, rectangular shaped, and give you a view of what's behind you. So down here you have the parking brake. So over here you have the parking brake of the vehicle. Fairly easy to operate, nothing much to describe about it. Now guys, that's all about the interiors and the exteriors of the vehicle. Now let's talk about what the technical specifications of the vehicle is like. Now the vehicle that we see, the Turister 2024, the 6-seater, comes with a BLDC motor, has a 2 kilowatt BLDC motor, has got a lead acid battery pack, a 48 volt lead acid battery pack. And if you come down to the comfort features, the rear comes with a leaf spring and shockers. The front also comes with front half parabolic suspensions with shockers for enhanced comfort. And again, there are a lot of technicalities which definitely you can get an insight about if you dial up on the numbers mentioned in our description box or at the bottom of the screen. In aspect of the tires, you have these knobby but beautiful tires from BKT, again a global brand. So those are BKT tires, 205 50 10, obviously tubeless, and they are all-weather, all-terrain tires, but mostly suited for these sort of road vehicles. So this golf carts basically are coming under the category of off-highway vehicles, and these tires are the most suitable for these golf carts, which give them good life, good durability, and good driving experience as well. Now these tires also have very less driving noise. Like when you drive it around, you don't get a lot of driving noise, again enhancing your overall feel of driving. Now coming towards the end of the video, I hope you would have liked the video. I hope you'd have liked the revamp or the complete new generation of the 6-seater electric golf cart. Do let me know what you think about the vehicle in the comments down below. If you like the vehicle, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos on these beautifully revamped second, third, and so on and so forth generations of our various vehicles. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I am Lokesh signing off for this video.